Hello. So this is my new channel. This channel is just for like vlogs and stuff. My other channel is for like my best friends and I like all of our crazy adventures and shit. So yeah, and then my other one is Chastity Info Music, has all my music on there. Even though I have like one or two videos in there. But oh well, I have to pee. Ah. So I got a new piercing. It's so smooth. Yep, I got my smiley pierced because I pierced it myself and I had no other jewelry, so I had to cut something off from an old earring and stick that through there. Then I got my nose, and then this weekend I'm getting my eyebrow, getting that done. Oh, I have second-degree burns on my eyelid from my hot iron. How dumb am I? Anywho, so I just wanted to give you a brief preview of my channel. This is pretty much what's going on it, like vlogs and all that type of shit, like uploads and updates and stuff. And then my other channel will be random videos me and my friends decide to make, and then the other one will be my music. So I kind of separated it all out. So yeah. So I hope you enjoy this channel. Yeah, just leave feedback if you want. Yeah. I'm sorry, this is bothering me. So yeah, peace.